This is the Rock Cart Off-Road, a professional live gig and studio equipment transport roller cart. This heavy-duty cart can hold equipment up to 700 pounds and was designed for smooth and easy maneuverability on any surface, whether flat or bumpy. We've taken our best-selling Rock Cart Pro and supercharged it with incredible upgrades that will revolutionize your DJ transport. We've beefed up the caster wheels to be larger and thicker than ever before. These wheels will tackle any terrain with ease, whether you're navigating rocky roads, grassy fields, or uneven surfaces. Say goodbye to those frustrating wheel wobbles and uneven rides. The Rock Cart Off-Road features a caster mechanism built to withstand the toughest conditions. Crafted from thicker gauge metal, it provides unmatched stability and durability. You can trust this cart to stand up to the rigors of your DJ gigs. No more bumps and jolts while transporting your gear. The Rock Cart Off-Road glides effortlessly over rough terrain, ensuring your equipment stays safe and secure. Your DJ setup will remain stable no matter where your gig takes you. Our cart's massive wheels and robust casters handle it all. And the cart features a quick folding mechanism that allows you to fold the two handles down for easy transporting or storing. And the folding mechanism has a reinforced design so the handles won't bend or break after multiple use. Another cool feature of the handles is that you can fold one down and you can actually use the cart as a hand truck. The Rock Cart Off-Road also extends in the center to 5 different positions just by one quick release push pin and 2 tightening knobs, which gives you all the different lengths you might need to transport your larger professional equipment. And even when you have the cart fully extended, it is very easy to steer because the 2 front wheels are swivel wheels that can turn in any direction. The 2 front wheels also lock, so when it's time to unload, you don't have to worry about the cart rolling away. Now there are also 5 additional accessories you can purchase that attach to your Rock Cart Off-Road, which will allow you to organize and carry additional items to your gig or help you transport your gear a lot easier. The Cart ACC is a 5-pocket accessory bag that slips right over the cart's handles. The bag also has a pocket that allows you to hold additional items like cables, microphones, laptops, tablets, sheet music, batteries, power strips, extension cords, and much more. You can use the zippers to open the pockets, place your items right inside of them, and then close the pockets up. And when it's time to store your cart, you fold it up just as normal, and you can see the accessory bag folds with the handles as well. The cart floor adds a panel to the bottom of the cart so your gear stays stable as you're bringing it from gig to gig. It comes with 2 panels, so you can use one when you have the cart in the condensed position, and when you have the cart fully extended, you can use both panels. The panels line up to the bottom of the cart and then latch up to the rails on the bottom of the cart for a super secure and sturdy fit. The panels are also capable of holding up to 700 pounds of gear and just make transporting big equipment much easier to do. The cart shelf allows you to add an entirely new row to place gear on top of the cart. Just like the cart floor, it comes with 2 panels, so we can add one if we have the cart shorter and the second one if we extend the cart. The shelf attaches super easily and securely with the included butterfly screws. The shelf will give you even more storage to transport gear, bags, and more. The cart stand bag is great to transport your gear while having it secured to the cart. You can take the bag and slide it over the handle, place your gear inside, then you can use the strap at the top of the bag to secure it. From here, you can travel with the cart and your gear without having to worry about anything falling off. The cart wag is a large bag that can hold multiple pieces of gear at once while sitting on your cart. So you can place the bag in the center, place all of your gear inside, and use the strap to further secure the items inside. It can also slip over the handles of the cart just like the cart ACC for a more secure fit. It also has handles on the side, so you can take the bag with the gear inside right to the stage and load it out for setup. And you can decide which of the 5 accessories for your Rock Cart Off-Road you need to mix and match for each gig. The Rock Cart Off-Road is a versatile and built-to-last equipment transport cart that will fit all of your moving needs. So if you're looking for a professional and strong live gig and studio equipment transport roller cart that can hold up to 700 pounds, look no further than the Rock Cart Off-Road from Rockville.